All that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything. What we think, we become. The world around you isn't as solid or real as it seems. You might believe that what you see, touch, and feel is the ultimate truth. But Buddha's words cut through that illusion. The mind is everything. What we think, we become. This powerful teaching reveals that the world we experience is not an external reality, but rather a reflection of our own thoughts and beliefs. What you think shapes the reality you live in. Let that sink in for a moment. What if everything you've come to believe is simply a projection of your mind? The limitations you feel, the stress, the frustrations, they're all part of an illusion created by your thoughts. We live in a mental construction, constantly feeding our minds with ideas about who we are and what the world is. And because we believe in this mental framework so deeply, it becomes our reality. Now, think about the implications of that. If your reality is shaped by your thoughts, that means you have the power to change it. The illusion can be broken. It's not about controlling the world outside, but transforming your inner world. When Buddha said what we think, we become, he wasn't speaking metaphorically. He meant it literally. If you fill your mind with fear, anxiety, and doubt, that's what your world becomes. It clouds your vision, making everything around you feel difficult and overwhelming. But if you start to shift your mindset, the illusion begins to dissolve. You start to see that much of the suffering we experience is self-imposed, a product of our beliefs about what's possible, what's true, and what's important. Ask yourself this: how much of your life is controlled by illusions? Maybe it's the belief that you're not good enough, or that you're stuck in a situation with no way out. Maybe you're chasing material success, thinking that's where happiness lies, only to find that the more you accumulate, the emptier you feel. These are the illusions that keep us trapped. But the truth is, once you realize that the world is shaped by your thoughts, you're free. Free to let go of old stories, free to stop chasing after things that don't truly matter. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing things as they really are, not through the lens of fear, stress, or desire, but with clarity and peace. That's what Buddha was offering. A chance to break free from the mental prisons we create for ourselves. So, how can you apply this teaching today? Start by questioning the thoughts that dominate your mind. Are they helping you or keeping you locked in the illusion? When you begin to understand that your mind is the architect of your experience, everything changes. You can choose to let go of the illusions that no longer serve you and begin creating a life that reflects your true nature. And remember, this isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about seeing reality for what it truly is: fluid, ever-changing, and deeply connected to your inner world. The world will always be a reflection of your mind. When you change the way you see yourself and your circumstances, you change the world you live in.